Look at here, guys. Gonna take just a quick minute. We got some friend mail in the P.O. box today, and I want to be able to show you guys what it is and thank the wonderful people who sent it. This one here comes from my anonymous friend. Oh, look at the little puppies. Oh my goodness, how very sweet. So very sweet. I still don't know who you are, but you know who you are. And a huge thank you. This package comes from Melinda. Let's get in here. Ooh, look what I see already. So pretty. Oh my goodness, look how adorable that is. Let's pull this on out first. By the way, if you guys are taking a look at this little portrait down here, if you haven't seen my current paint with me, go and take a look at that one. I actually have this for sale on my webpage, but look how beautiful that is. Melinda, I absolutely love that. That's gonna look so pretty in the kitchen. And look at there, it's got some of the teals in it too that will match perfectly. Now let's take a little look in here. Is this something that you put together and made, Melinda? I love that. Looks like a little pocketbook. Loving the little envelope. So very cute how you've done that. Love that. Oh, thank you, Melinda. Her note says that she made the envelope and the little paper purse. And then she got some of this makeup from Ipsy. So let's take a look. I love this gorgeous Mylar. Loving it. Ooh, look at that beautiful eyeshadow brush. Can you see the tip of that, babe? That is so pretty. It's got the purple and blue little gradient there. Ah, can't wait to use that, Melinda. Let's see if this tells us who it is by. This is by SL Miss Glam. Very nice. And we have got a Girl Power Real Her Moisturizing Lipstick. Ooh, that looks like that's gonna be a pretty color. Here's what that little packaging looks like. And again, this one's called Mauve. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Oh, wow. Very, very pretty. And we've got something from MAC here. This is lip gloss from MAC. That is a very pretty color too. Let's see. It's called See Through. Ooh, that is gorgeous. I am in love with that. So pretty. Looks like there's something right here. This is from City Color and it is a contour palette. Loving these colors. Definitely in love with that right there because it is not too orange and that I love. Ooh, you've got this full in here, Melinda. Okay, what do we have? This is a Pure Heals Centella 65 Green Tea Pack Calming Face Mask. Oh, that's gonna be fun because I do love a good face mask. Oh, how exciting. Let's see what else we got. Oops. Let's see here. This is Nip and Fab Exfoliate, a glycolic scrub. Oh, very nice. Glycolic acid is very, very good for the skin. I took a little whiff and that smells very nice. Ah, so happy to have that. All right, let's see what else is in here. Ooh, from Pacifica, Tomboy Vibe, Natural Mineral Eyeshadows. Ah, let's take a look. Whoa, look at that packaging. I hope that the sunlight is reflecting off of that and you guys can see that gold foil on the top of there. That is really cute. All right, let's see how we can get in here. Oh my, look at those colors. These are exciting, and I'm super excited, especially about this color right here, because those of you that have been watching the channel know I'm having a little bit of trouble with my eyes and that Urban Decay Beached palette. They're just not meshing together. So that's got some reminiscent colors of that, and I can't wait to try it. Oh my goodness. Well, thank you so much, Melinda. Look at all of these fun goodies, and also a huge thank you to my anonymous friends. You guys are just too kind to me, too kind, and I wanted to hop on real quick to let everybody to see your generosity and to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank all of you so very much for watching.